Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with the Happy Planner Radiate flip through of the sticker book. You get 571 pieces and you kind of have an eggplant color, some tan, some black, so super cute color palette. Lots of boxes. And then some little like side stickers. You get a lot of the Today I'm Feeling. And plenty of room to write. I love the little rainbows in this book. You get some read stickers, some read, relax, appointment, reflect, some more rainbows on the clear paper. And then you get several sheets of the clear quotes. And that is all of the Radiate sticker book. It's probably all. I may get the gratitude sticker book, but I'm not positive yet. I'm only getting the ones that I'm gonna actually use. I'm done with trying to buy them all. So, so yeah, if this is your first time joining me and you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I hope you stick around, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.